Hello. 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 Okay, I think we are live. Uh, Noise suppression is a bit too much though. Yeah. Okay. I think I have to follow Chikan for that. Okay, seems to be fine. So I just follow Chikan. Okay. I need a new one. Should be Okane. So this is only for the subtitles. It should be fine. Let's see if this works. Okay, perfect, cool. It will be fine, and just see what's happening. Fine. Oh, I think internet is a little slow. Anyway, so here to what live now. I mean there is a cyclone going on, so not really sure how long I'll have internet, but yeah, live okay, still fine. And okay, cool, so let's go. So plan is very simple. just FYI. Wait, I am actually not sure how bad or good is the audio. So noise suppression, I think is too much. Okay, this should be fine, I think. Cool. So I'm in like a pretty dark place, so there is no camera. And the plan for today is simple. So I've started doing gleam for a while. Not really for a while though. Started building Okane. I would say 4 months back. I just started and then I stopped. I didn't really do anything. Then I felt like learning again. Just set it up a little bit and on both the systems. So I'm right now on the gram, and yeah, I mean, just trying to run simple things and then we'll see where we go. So just to give some context, Okane is a build splitting app. It's like Splitwise, and I mean, because these kind of apps, they can grow in context about like things they do. The plan is to keep it as simple as I can, not too much. And when I'm starting out, I like focus is small, like focus on smaller things, and we'll see if it works. Oh hey, hello. Yeah, so the focus is small. Do less things first, see how it feels to write. Oh, also I just saw my node is dead. Okay, this doesn't work, never mind. So the plan is to build simpler features first, then we go and see what else we can build. So right now what I'm setting up is I'm setting up auth right now. So if I do it looks like just like any conventional Node.js API project, but the goal is to just set up auth and get it running and then we'll see what we can build from it. Logic, how it handles splits and all those things, right? So for today we'll just finish the authentication part. I have started on it, I haven't finished it yet. So I was actually stuck at a couple of things. First is figuring out how do we narrow down types. So because in Gleam, like because I come from mostly JavaScript and TypeScript, so I write a lot of that. So the mindset there is not to handle errors, it's more like, I mean, there is no error even, it just fails, right? But here, because errors are values, so the mindset change, it will take some time, right? So I was struggling a little bit yesterday or day before yesterday with how do we narrow down the types. So if you see here, for example, I was struggling with how do we narrow down decoder error to nil, because I don't really want to specifically handle decoder error. Instead, what I want to do is if it errors out, it just goes to unauthorized, or 404 if the user is not there and there is a token, right? Basic stuff. So yeah, so I was struggling with that. So I'll just quickly write down what is the plan and then we'll go from there, right? Okay, so where should I write it? Okay, there is another check. I don't really have a plan. Seeing how come, oh yo, why is it so difficult to type? Comfortable, I am the language, and then we will see. Actually, it's funny how I can just verbally reply. I don't know why I'm typing. Anyways, just quickly open Escalate Raw. I have Obsidian, but I don't know what else is open there, just to not take risk, right? So that's the plan for today is I have to, how do I keep it open? Oh, perfect. Oh, this is genius. Okay, so what's the plan for today? Simple finish auth. With that, what do we finish with in auth is we set up login flow, and we don't really need a register flow, but actually we can build it also. Register flow, figure out how we do cookies. That is first, because it's again simple shit, so it should be cookies, right? No JWT, nothing, because just easy to manage cookies, or headers also. I think that also is there. Anyways, so actually for funny, cookie is a header. What I'm saying, can you put a summary? How do we do author? I will start writing it, though I'm just putting out layout. Then I'll just go around what I'm thinking and how I can write it. The thing is, I don't really have that much experience on writing gleam. Literally just a week, or like let's say 2 days. Last weekend only I started, so that we have to see. Figure out how we do cookies. So these three things should be enough. Then we just render okay. So after you have a user, what we should do? After you have user endpoint, what should we do? Okay, let's just keep it simple. Let's just build these three things first, and then we'll see where we'll go. And regarding how I am going to do it, pretty simple. So I'll just explain the structure right now. So I bootstrapped it from the Wisp example. So if I go to, I did a lot of tabs because it took me a while to put everything together. Where did that go? Wisp. GitHub. I think it was inside examples, I believe. Wait, can you just confirm how bad is the audio? How is the audio? Okay, yeah. So what I did, I was following this beautiful. I mean, Louis has done like beautiful work all the time. Anyway, so what I did, I just took some stuff from here. Then I kept adding other things like because I needed a database. So, but I also needed a query builder. So I am just using Cake. Then that I had to set it up. It's very simple. I'll quickly explain after this. And the controller and middleware or hooks remain the same, whatever is here mostly. I didn't really change anything. I will see if it can be better, but it's mostly that. So how it looks like right now, actually it's not apps, project structure and spelling mistakes. Okay, so how is it? So we have router, then we have models or DB, and these are the three things, and we have hooks, right? So router is basically router. We have controllers for each. It follows that Rails resource pattern where you have plural resources, then ID, post, put, patch, all that crap, right? For each resource. Oh, perfect, thank you. Then for DB, it's all again simple. We have a migration folder, then we have models. It's like Gleam doesn't really have OOP, but you can do stuff like OOP-esque stuff. So these are models. Right now we only have user, and after that what we have the connector, or which like creates a connection for every I think not every request when the server starts, I believe. So that is there. And for hooks, so hooks are basically middlers, and there is a reason why I'm calling them hooks and not middlers. So I realized, I mean, calling something a middleware doesn't really make sense because here hooks can break the request, right? At least whatever I have written doesn't really matter anyways. So hooks are basically they plug into your request lifecycle in middle. They can modify, they can do stuff, and they can also break break the request. So hooks are called right before controllers, right, and with all this context and stuff. So we have auth and we have the base which calls all the hooks, right? No, it's not a jointable. It's basically that creates the connection. So if you say it in like normal Node.js terms, it would be your database connection. I don't know why I'm using weird nomenclature, but it's basically the database connection. For example, if you have a drizzle or Keisler or anything, where you will have a DB driver or a dialect which has the driver, and that would connect. So in this case, you have SQLite, which is where did it go? SQ. Okay. This one. Yeah. So this basically runs the has bindings to Erlang SQLite and inside, and that runs it. This also runs in JavaScript, by the way, on Dino. I think it uses Dino's own SQLite, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, correct. So that's there. Okay, basically that's it. And every model has all queries abstracted out. For example, finding a user, updating a user, deleting, doing all kind of stuff. I haven't written everything, but we'll go and write everything. And how the life cycle is, that's also pretty simple. Life cycle. So you have the app. So here we'll create the context. Creates context. Then starts the server. And after that, it will go straight to the router. It will go straight to the hooks, and hooks can modify the context. And throw, not exactly throw. So basically all hooks return a result type. So in Gleam, results are known errors and results, right? So it has an okay or error type. It can be either okay or error. So if it is okay, everything is fine. If it is error, you have to handle the error basically. So everything is explicit. So they return result type, right? And after hooks, it goes straight to the router, which calls controllers based on pattern matching, right? Or path matching, sorry. Based on, that's it. So that's it. That's the life cycle. It's pretty simple. I mean, there is nothing really. Okay, enough talking. So just start. This is there. I'll try to link it if I can on the video. But yeah, cool. I'll just close this and close this. We probably don't need all of this. Okay, we need Wisp also. I feel like my system is a little slow for some reason. Okay, anyways, so okay, close this as well. Did close. Okay, so we have where I was, yeah. So till now what I have done is I finished the base auth and hook which plugs into and does stuff, right? To make it small. So how can I make it? Okay, never mind. So it runs on what endpoint again? 801. Okay, yeah. So if you see base endpoint, and everything that is namespace under auth will go through the hook. So if I hit auth, it says no token found, which is basically going to our hook here, right? It's here, and here it's checking if you have an authorization header. If you don't have, you are gone. It just errors out. Right, so now because we have auth set up already, we have to implement login, right? So session is here. I think it just started and it didn't write anything. Yeah, so sessions will have two methods or two controllers here, and that would be login and register. So just quickly write, don't need this, and this is get, I believe. I think we can do pattern matching on multiple properties. Oh, where did that go? Gleam. So I don't really know where is the spec of the language, so I keep referencing the tutor, sorry, tour, to just see what and all we can do. Where did pattern magic go? Oh wait, what is it called again? Don't think it's this one. Oh, not this. Anyways, let's see. I actually wrote it somewhere. I just don't remember where. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting where. Okay. So this will be CW. Don't need this anything here. W. Okay. Login only supports one endpoint, that is post. I don't know how to import. Okay, should be fine. And we have to handle it here. So let's say let's do. I think in Gleam also order matters, if I'm not wrong. So that would be handle login, and it will take a request, which is request, and we need the settings also. Config context. Okay, perfect. And what do you need to do? So we have to read the body. So what's the plan here? Read get email, password, and password. So I think I should increase the font size a little. Should be fine. Yeah, so we need get email password from body. All the time. I'm actually learning new Vim as well, so just from body. Yeah, and check if user exists in DB. If there, set user in context. Actually, we don't need this. If there, we need to set the cookie here. Set cookie, right? And and if user is, yeah, let's set a cookie. If not, throw. I think it should be 400. Okay, or 404. 404. Okay, that's the plan. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. So how do we do it? Okay, we have to see how we can read body. I have forgotten. Okay, this body should be set body, string body, JSON body. Okay, I think all of them are read body, read. Oh, where is it? I remember seeing it somewhere. You know what? We can just go and read it from example. I don't know why I'm not doing it. Working with form data, perfect. That's exactly what we need. Source app router. Okay, so here we show the form. We don't need that. We'll just use APIs. Which require form. Okay, form data, form body. Okay, that works. Toolers. Okay, cool. List extract values from the format. Alternative to use pattern match on the list of values that are sorted in the okay. This looks much better. So like I like this syntax way too much, because so in JavaScript, because it's not a fully functional language, so what happens is you tend to modify state a lot. For example, you define an object here, then you keep appending keys, or if you I mean in general, because it's dynamically typed, so there is a lot of mutation on the same object, right? Because but like on the other hand here, it's because it's functional, it's very different. And this is clean to read, because so use is basically whatever is below the use statement becomes the body of this function, right? So result try, so result is a standard model. What it does is it will take result type from here, and it will try to read. If the result is okay, it will try to read, and it will give you the value from that okay result, and you can just use it below. So basically this becomes the body of this. So assume this is being passed as the second parameter, right? Now this is super simple to read, because I mean in these kind of scenarios, and this is a block, right? In these kind of scenarios it's extremely simple to read. So I like the syntax, but yeah, anyways, we cannot have good things in JavaScript, so what to do? Okay, so first is just implement it below the comment for sorry, what that would be, is require form, yeah, request. And if I go here and do, oh where did my cursor go? Yeah, perfect. Okay, and what we need two things. Let result, or we can just say login params, and that would be use let's do email. How do you do it? Result to try list key find. Okay, okay, so how does it look like? This is form. Another thing I like about languages like Gleam, and I think Elixir also does this, so there is no translation crap, right? So that's why you can just go and read the source, which is much useful than some compiled blob crap in. So this is much easier to read, much easier to reason about. I go here and I can clearly see there are values, and it returns a list of a tuple where you have key value, or you can say hash like thing, right? Okay, that looks fine. And how do you do it? To list dot key find, and that would be email. Use password, it is also key find, and it would be password, right? And I believe in here you have to return it probably. Yeah, you have to return okay. And I believe how do you construct an hash? I believe you can do this. Oh wait, I keep forgetting we can just use types, because in Gleam types are values. Type login param, so that would be login param email, this is string, and password, that's also a string. Okay, cool, perfect. And here we have to return, and that would be okay. Login param, also it should be params, never mind. Password. Wait, what's the error? Type mismatch, expected type body, return type result, nil, type mismatch, function, something. Okay, cool, we'll see. It says response body for some reason. Oh wait. Ah, shit. I forgot to pass the payload. Found it at, yeah, correct. E E E E E E E. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's see what we have here. I wonder why it says response model. Interesting. Okay, this is okay. Okay. So I believe it's reading out because and here also have to take ctx config context. That would be ctx. Oh wait. Don't we take? Cool. Talks. So where is there? Where is what is result string? Okay, cool. We'll see what we can do here. Okay. So another thing I found out, you can do selects with tree sitter in new vim, which is amazing because so if let's say if you're inside a function body or something, hitting enter you can actually just do. So I could have, okay, don't know how did I do it. So you can just select entire block by doing wait, what did I break again? Okay. Wonder what mistake am I doing. Never mind, just do here. We have to do, I believe we have to do another try. And we have to also type it here. Okay. I believe that is setting out case login. So this is how you do pattern matching. I mean, okay, yeah, right. Just oh, now it works. Okay. And I believe we don't need to do this, we can just do use, but if you do use you cannot reply. I mean, we have to, like when error happens you have to also respond. So I wonder how we can do it. Just give me a minute. Okay, everything is fine. Yeah, so because here we have to respond, so we have, okay, never mind, we'll figure that out later. Also params and this here we have to handle the block, and I'll just return okay, just so that it doesn't error out, and we'll figure that out later. Okay, so we have the email here, and here it is if there is no error. Okay, and we have to do three things here. We have to see if there is a user. If there is no user, then also we have to error out. I wonder how do we chain error handling in gleam, that we have to figure out. But yeah, but basically that's the plan. Okay, So before we go ahead, we have to write a method in the user model which can find a user. I think we can find by ID. We have to add another one to find by what? Find by email, right? So that would be db models user. Okay, ZG. Okay, so what to do? I wonder if we can just use this same. How do we do optional? Okay, let's see. So why can't we use the same method? So here it takes an integer. If we make it an overload, but I wonder if you can do overloads. Believe you can't. Okay, how do we reuse this? So if you see here we only need to change the where clause, right? But everything else we can reuse. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just create a reusable private function. So that would be function user get user properties, right? And what we'll take here, we'll take actually don't need anything. We can just directly return the query, because in Gleam everything is a function. Should just work, I believe, right? And here I can just go and say get user props. I believe that should work. Perfect. Yes, it works. And we have to do pub function find by email. An email is a string. We need connection. That way SQLite connection. Oh, not this one. Oh, what did I do? Oh, this is oh no, why did all my code go? Oh, here. Okay, so that we see till parenthesis. Yes, connection. Okay, you can just type it out. Connection. Oh, am I there? Yeah. Okay, see there. Cool. So we have everything. So same crap. Need get user props and pipe it to your where clause select where select where dot call where. Actually, you know what? I can just copy the same crap. That is technically the same thing. And I'll select everything. Oh no, not there. Oh, why is it selecting everything? Okay. How do I select end? Yeah. Okay. So here what we need, it's not IET, so that would be email. And where do we do? Where equals to enter string, and that would be email. Right, so find user email. To query to read query, everything remains the same, right? Everything remains the same, I believe. Perfect. Okay, so now we go back to our systems controller, source app controller login. Yeah, so what do we need to do here? We have to find if the user is there, so that would be params dot email. So just need to pipe to find user by email, and that would be duration. Oh wait, isn't it a string? Yes. Ah, db. Okay. B B B B B B B B B. Okay. So here we have to. How do we handle it without writing verbose code? Okay. I don't think that is possible. Let user equals to, this should be result. Okay. Case user. First we handle the error and we return 400. Found. What would be dot set body. Can we set a string? I believe there is a set string body. Okay, I don't know. Okay, never mind. We'll do better error messages later. So that would be okay. User. It was a good watch. Cool, sir. Good night. Okay. So also another thing should be, we have to figure out how we can do better. This looks little jiffy. Should we use it? Yeah. So I have to do another block. So here you have to do two things. If user is there, I need to set cookie. Okay. How do we set cookie? Wisp cookie. Okay. Taking time. Yes, set cookie request name. Wait, I don't want to set it on a request. How can I set it on response? Isn't that just header? If I just set header, that should be the same, right? Also, where is this? Yes, right. But I think they had an example with cookies as well, if I remember correctly. JSON or cookie, yeah, perfect. Yes. Thank you so much. Where is it? Okay, this is no. Is how you get a cookie. How do you set a cookie? Response request cookie name value wisp.signed 0. Okay. You have to find this. Where is this coming from? I believe it should be documented. Oh, perfect. Set a cookie on the response in the max age 0 security. I don't know what it is. Setting the response value service. Okay. Okay, cool. How do you change the domain? Because that also is there. Okay, you know what? We'll just quickly go and read. Wisp dot okay. First is okay, then pipe wisp dot set header. Yeah, so here are the name. Just code. Set header is response header. Okay. Actually, I believe it will go to mist. Oh wait, it's coming from where? Coming from this. Okay. Is that directly available on response? So 1 minute. Okay. You. I wonder what this response is. Content type. Oh wait, I'm Tom. That being cookie. Why is it setting to the? I wonder why is it doing that. Okay. Am I on the wrong version? Set take cookie on the response. Yeah. That's what I want to do. Okay. Cool. So this is doing bit array something. Eh? Okay. Cookie dot attributes. Actually. Where is it coming from? Gleam HTTP cookie. Okay. So to go to gleam HTTP there somewhere. Should also there. Yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect. We have domain here. Cool. So and so basically I need all of this. Copy everything. Yank. And just go and paste it here. We'll see what we can do later. So later about cookies, gleam cookie. I believe to no codex. Okay. Yeah. Cookie.default HTTP HTTPS. What is this? Path is that, domain is none. Okay. So it by default is on the same domain. Okay, that works. Oh, that is fine. Then I believe we can just use the same thing, right? So text the response, then that request, then name, which will be session of double quotes session, and security. Okay, wisp.signed, I believe it was. And the client wanted to, okay, cool. After back says the second cookie will be expired by the client. Okay. How do you do 5 days? 5 days I want. 5 days in seconds. Perfect. So we'll just make it a constant. Const max age. I wonder. Oh wait, do we need to? should be cookie maxes. Four three two zero zero zero. Okay, 2000 and we should say okay, and it will be cookie. Next, perfect. Type MISO expected type security found int. Where? Security int. But I did pass. Oh shit. So what will be the value? For now, believe for now we can just put the email. I think that should be fine. I'll just add a to do here. To improve, find out how to we use the cookie value and read. Oh, here it doesn't complete. Okay, read it. And looking for user in auth hook. Hook. Okay, it is there. So it looks horrible. Sorry for that. I wonder if we can do this. Can we add? Okay. Well, I'll just do this. So we set the cookie. We set cookie set. It is done. And don't need this. Okay. I believe this should be fine now. That would be bad request, but it should be not found. User result that is not found. Okay, this is bad request. Perfect. I think here we can also probably how we can handle it is we can abstract all this out to a method which can handle the params directly. So what I'm saying is something like this function get. So I can see my JavaScript brain can't handle this much crap. Login params. Okay. Okay, so that would be the request is request QUEST, right? And what I can do here, we can just abstract all of this out, XP, and yeah, I believe we have to yeah, so here we are doing a case, so I think we have to do the same. But how do we make it a result that doesn't suck? So this will error out to be, wait, what does it return? So this returns found data, function request connection, found data, returns found data. Okay, and is that a result? Oh, it doesn't throw. Okay, it does throw, but how do we handle that? Case keys find. Okay, so I believe I saw here what we did here is we are eating the error, right? Whatever comes from here, I believe. Oh no, wait, this will always be true, because if it errors out, it don't even go here, right? And I believe if it errors out, that will automatically kill. So how do we handle it? And this should return a user login result. Right? Yeah, okay. I wonder what am I doing wrong. Type mismatch. Type of the value doesn't match the return type of the function. Expected type. Return type is pod. What the fuck? How is it pod? Oh, it's not supposed to be like that. So I think how it works is it returns okay. Oh, this is a nice pattern that I learned. Okay, so if it runs, and instead of returning a result where you have to pattern match it to handle the error, what we can do is make the return type what is where it is supposed to be used. So this actually makes it much simpler. I mean, I don't need to do all this. So that way what happens is this automatically handles it. That is pretty cool. So this handles if it is okay. If it is not, it will just automatically go to a response. That is amazing. Perfect. This works. So I just need to hit it. Hop. Actually I want to use oh wait, what is this? Hops. I'm sorry, I meant the hopscotch API client. Yeah, this one. And we are 1 hour into the stream. Let's go. Oh wait, is my internet that bad? Oh man, I just hope stream is fine. Okay, here it says it's excellent. How much is the speed? Okay, that also looks fine to me. And 0 drop frames, that is perfect. Okay, also why is it taking so much time? I can see download speed is pretty trash. That makes sense. Oh wow, I got 4 views today. Okay, don't know who and all are there. If you are there, thank you. Oh man, please open. It's too much. You know what? I'll just Google how to post in curl. Yes. Cop. Oh wait, how we can turn form data? With form data. Can we do it? Oh man, it just says volumes about how dumb I am with all these things. Perfect. It says you have to make it by, oh no man, okay, it's not possible. You have to do some client and not that one. I wonder why is it this slow? Is it because it's a PWA and it's like trying to download everything or what? Cool, by the time it loads we can just quickly finish the resistant part, right? So I also realized here we can just write it there. So what we can do, I just realized controllers there. Here we are pattern matching on method. What we can do instead, we can just pattern match on multiple params. Let me just quickly read about that by the time this loads. Estimate pattern, high rate of function, this is that. Okay, 6%. Yes, I remember I have seen it somewhere. Variable patterns, not this one. I have seen it, Not this also. Not this also. Not this. Not this. Yes. Yes. This. Perfect. So what we can do here is we can do wisp.path segments and we can do request, right? And this will return a list, and what we can do is comma separated values. So what we can do, this ends with what? How do you do ends with? This is list recursion, tail call, recursion, list pattern. Yeah, perfect. List starting with list just is a 2 element, or how do you do ends with? How? Also here I have to do double underscore. My bad. Gleam ends with match. I have heard again matching is better. Okay. I have heard of Gleam's case about multiple objects. Oh, the man is here. Okay. Pattern matching is function clauses, sugar. Huh. Elixir, okay. How do you do it? This restriction, side effect, and any function, I can just pattern match with the result of function match. This is a list where empty is empty, ht is h, filter t. Okay. How can we do that? Can we do like an end match? Let's see. So if I do this and do log, and does it work? Does not work. How do you do it? That also doesn't work. Lists are immutable and single linked to match the end of a list that requires the whole list. This should be slow. Pattern match on the start of why? Okay, it is what it is. So what we have to do is hit enter. C. So that would be what? Session, I believe. Sessions, then login. And that is login, and for register it would be again sessions register. Also realized even before implementing login, we should have implemented register. Register. Okay, because it takes function is not there, we'll just quickly implement. So I realize we need to function handle register, and it takes two things. that is request query QUEST and init cities also context. Perfect. Same thing we have to do here. Instead of only accepting name email, we have to accept name email, password. Actually, can't we just create with oh what did I do? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what I was talking about is, can't we do optional? Or we cannot, which is fine because created art will be filled here and password will be sent, email will be sent. Okay, perfect, that works. And ID is auto generated, right? So we have to also create a type here, pop type user insert table. So this is a pattern that I learned from Kaisley, that's a query builder for JavaScript. So what they do is, for a single model they can create insertable, selectable and updatable, which is data types automatically generated, so which you can directly use with Peace, right? So insertable user, so that would be, oh sorry, syntax abomination, that, oh wait, it was correct only. Okay, insertable user, so that would be what? That would be name, string, email, string, password, string. Okay, and this will be public type. And what we have to do is, we have to also implement a function that creates it. So that would be pop function create user, and here instead of email or something, we'll just receive the entire thing. So it will be insert table, So another thing in Gleam is you can use labels, so which look like something like this. So you can just do user, and it will be insertable user, right? And you can do connection skew connection, right? Oh yeah, that's another problem. You have to label everything, right? And also we can same crap. So what we have to do here is two things. Create the user, then ID will be automatically created, and created at also we have to check if Cake supports that. Not really sure. Demo. So what I've been doing is going through their specs and trying to figure it out, which is perfect because it's just easy to see. Oh, okay, that's cool. I from records table name this. Oh, we need encoder also. Okay, rating is I float. Oh, okay. Okay, I dot from record. What is I insert? Okay, from record I name query. Okay, insert record, insert value. This is trauma. This is much easier. So I believe we have the decode for select, so we can just rename it actually. Oh, why it doesn't support? Okay, it's fine. So what we can do is, for insertable we can create decoder, so which means we cannot write it there. Just to write good code, we have to co-locate, which is also, wait, I deleted a wrong line. X that will go down, and we should write a lot of comments actually. Insert user, right, and that would be the type, and that would, we need to write a decoder function insert table user decoder. What does it take? It takes a user. And how far it does here? Returns a list. Oh, pipes rock. Okay, so that would be user dot name is insert, I believe. Insert dot string. Yes. And then next one is what? User dot email. Insert dot string again. Then user dot password. So here you have to do some mathematics. Password, but for now we'll just keep it string. Insert dot string. Okay, and then we have to do insert dot row. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Like, this is beautiful API. Pipes rock. Yep. Okay. Alright, returns insert row. Cool. And I've added to do here. To do implement lib for password hashing here. Right, and because it's already inferred, so I have to go here. I just have to figure out the query. So it's insert records. I believe there should be something for inserting one. Let's see if we have. So user wait, where is encoder again? Okay, it's there. Okay, so user goes to insert dot why is it an array? Okay, it's fine, whatever is the API. User, then oh wait, string is dead. Is it dead or alive? I believe it was dead for a while. Oh, okay, it's not really. Cool, that works. Where does it go? That goes to. Wait, I don't understand this API. Inserted from records. Okay. Oh, okay. So, yeah. So here we have to do some mathematics. That is table name columns. Okay. Function string, create an insert query. Wait, don't really understand the system. It says it's a string, then it takes a list, that is column. That one is encoder. Okay, Then where is the first list? Okay, I don't really get. This is table name, this is column, this is like, oh, okay, this auto. Never getting like used to this label system. Okay, so column, what is that? Columns, name, email, password. And another thing we have to do here, it also delete the pipe. So another thing we have to do, wait, what is this? You know what, I don't need to pipe. Table name, columns, records, and encoder. Encoder is insertable user encoder. Cool. Okay, so how do we handle the password part here? I believe we can do a callback for that. Should be fine. Or we can, how can we do it? Should we manually insert, or we can pass a callback here which can transform this to take it? That is also another way we can go. Well, let's just do that. So what we can do, we can create another one. Oh, sorry. Shift G and O. Utils or not utils. L was dot gleam W. Yes. L was dot gleam. So what we can do is plan is simple. We take a callback for a row for the list, and we transform that list by adding to tail. Right, we can just append, and we can insert the created at value, right? So that would be pub function with created at, and this will be param. So what would be the param? What is it written again? Insert row. It's okay, list of insert value. Cool. So we can do list of oh man, why I'm struggling. How do I do it? Insert value. Okay, perfect. So we have to do params. Then we have to do pipe list dot append, I believe. Yeah. And we have to append what? We have to append a. How do you have to dates? Is it a standard library? Boolean dict. This one, something. Oh wait, don't tell me there is no date. What is bird? Date time handling for gleam. Perfect. Beautiful. So I need ISO. ISO is not perfect. That is exactly what I need. So what I'll do now, and then I'll do ISO. That should do it. Okay. What is this library? BIRL. Okay. Exit, abort, enter, gleam at BIRL. Resolving. I think packages wise it's more or less sorted, because if I remember, if I'm not wrong, Gleam has support for Elixir packages, so I believe that shouldn't be a problem, though I don't know how is the scene of, like, I mean, I don't know, I've never seen how to use it. I mean how to use a Elixir package here, right? And that would be perl dot, sorry, ISO dot I perl dot ISO. Why is it not working? Perl dot ISO. Oh, it's 2 ISO. Okay. Oh, that's why it does not. Then we have to do insert or string. Yes. Oh wait, I have to fix this auto pair crap. Just too much trauma. Okay. Oh, what is there? Type doesn't match, func time doesn't match the pipe type. Okay. Pipe type takes value, now returns what? Oh wait, I have to call it. What is that again? Type mismatch, list insert value, type insert value. What does append return? Should we also list in? Yeah. Oh man, mosquitoes are eating me like, don't know. Wait, I wonder why is it failing? So, 1 minute. How long it's been? Oh, it's already 1.5 hours. Wow. Just a minute. I wonder why it breaks. Oh, append also takes. Okay, that I didn't know. Oh, it makes sense because they have. Okay, agree. All any append chunk. Yes, all of this should work. the argument is function time. I have to call it. Perfect. I just have to add some talks. This helper adds created at column to the end of the payload. Also needs the created at column name constant to be used. Looks it. I wonder if it works. Oh wow, beautiful. Pop const created at column name created. Perfect. And we go back here, user.gleam. Here we just need to do some mathematics. That would be helpers.created, and here we have to pipe it to helpers dot with created at. To pipe. Perfect. So now this will have created at by default, and we can also reuse it. It works. We just have to see how we can also handle this. You know what? Why do this when we can handle it similarly? Param, and we can here another function where we can do pub function. Oh, I didn't know this was possible. Okay. At column list string, and it also returns a list string td, and here we have to do, oh wait, this function is wrong. It's columns actually. Columns pipe list dot append, another one created at column. Oh wait, should be created at column, and it will docs this helper adds. Actually we can structure it better, because see, these are mostly going to be used with what selection and insertion, so we can structure the model a little bit better, where we can name it based on the operation. For example, this only belongs to insertion, so we can just put it in helpers insert, and this can go to helper select and insert as well, but yeah, I mean in one place. Adds created at column to the column names list. Done. Right, go here, just do some changes. Helpers are created at param, right, and here it will be cw that we have to pipe, so that would be, sorry, helpers dot it's created at column, and we have to delete this. Okay, and So we do insert from records. Where do we go after that? Close this. Oh man, these Mac shortcuts are killing me. Okay, so from records is there. We have to return everything, and then we have to create the user also. How do we return and decode? Okay, wait, where does the decode run again? Forgotten. Right, so that would be to query. Right, correct. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, so here we pipe to insert dot to query. Then we have to run it. Run it how? I believe it should be the same mostly. Y G paste. Oh wait, I copied the same thing twice. Okay, and we have to do cake.to insert query to add query. Yeah, and that should do the job for us. So if I go here and check the type, it should be result perfect. Yes, so that is there. Name, email, password we have created that already. ID should be auto injected, I think. And believe they should be fine. Cool. So we have create user, and I believe I should add some docs for public methods. Find the user ID. Actually, the name itself is pretty explanatory. Do we really need docs? We don't need, because also create is little messed up. Insert user sounds better, right? Login.clean, handle this, and we have to do some mathematics here. Use form data, I believe, was wisp dot require form request, right? Then we have to do let register. We have to figure out a way to handle this better, because this seems too much repetitive. Use name is if I am not believed it was a result of right, and form data, and what else was there again? Form data. Oh no, wait, list dot key find. Yeah, correct, right. List dot key find form data. Oh, wait. Why is it erroring out? Oh, what am I doing now? Result try listed key find. That's correct. Definitely is the problem. I keep forgetting. first handle error. So this will be a bad request. Then we handle OK. Then we just return wisp.ok for now. So, oh, okay. We have to return something, I believe. So here you have to create type email is also string, password is also string, right? And registered params, name, email, password, use key find from dot. Oh shit, I think I forgot it. This is form data dot. Oh, now it shows up. Okay, for some reason, don't know why it does not showing up yet. Cool. So now we have params here, that is registered params. So here you have to do two things. I believe there is SQLite already has conflict handling, so that should already error out, so that should be fine. And we have to set email as primary key, that we haven't done that, so that will take care of later. So technically it should handle, right? So let user equals to user dot insert user, and here insertable is registered user params, also my user. What is that? It says params doesn't look the same. Wait. Doesn't look the same because it is not the same. Well, we can use all of this from directly there because it's already public, so I believe we can just go here and instead of creating register params, we can just call insertable user, and that should be fine. I believe it should be fine. Yeah, yes, and that would be ctx.db, right? And what we have here, we have another pattern matching, case my user. So again, handle error first. We'll see how we can do it better later, but we wisp dot internal server. Wait, what it should be? I believe it should be internal server error. Okay, user. Oh wait, it shouldn't be user, new user. Well, we have to figure out this naming shit. So we have to send JSON body. Okay, how do we do JSON body though? With, for example, working with phone that are working JSON, yes. Decode person, okay, I want to encode. JSON to string builder object, JSON to object. Huh. Okay, we can do this. Then JSON object can be created from the person, okay. Let object. Okay, JSON to string builder. Okay, this works. How do you set it? We don't set JSON body, so believe that just a string, right? So you have to do a pipe then. Cool. Wisp.okay. Before even that, surround around this and go here. Let user object equals to, how is it constructed again? JSON.object. Wait, is it a different module? It's clean JSON only, no? Yo, how come there is no code action? Yes, I meant gleam JSON. Okay, I'll just do it myself. Import gleam JSON. Oh wait, transited, but gleam JSON the package what? Iron node high, bro. Hello. Okay. Oh, no wonder that site does not sync. Gleam JSON package belongs to it, not item of package. Gleam add gleams. Okay. Gleam add gleam JSON. Oh, perfect. Is it done? JSON object. I believe this is how it's constructed. Perfect. We have to figure out again better. It's just notorious to work with. Name, that would be new user name. Oh, first we need ID. Wait. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting everything has to be string. String dot from. How do you convert gleam into string? String append byte size capitalize compare drop ends with first inspect join last. Wait, what is inspect again? Perfect, this is exactly what we need. Yes. Pipe string to inspect. Should work now. expected type list JSON found list string. How? What is a JSON type again? There is. Oh, JSON is just an empty type. But how do we handle it? It's a problem now. It already has encoders. Fucking crap. Okay, sorry for that. This can be int. So what I can just do surround add around word parenthesis. Oh no, wait. Surround add till array JSON dot string. Same crap I have to do here. Oh yes, so this body that will be user object dot to string. What does it again? JSON dot okay. JSON dot oh. Oh, this is slight. Just feels too much. We'll have to figure this out. Because now the thing is, well, this looks very good and is explicit as well. The problem is it doesn't feel. I mean, at least the JSON encoding part we have to do something. Yeah. Anyways, everything is there. Everything is ready for register as well. So now if I go hit login, should I run out? Method not allowed. Actually, instead of doing method not allowed, a better way of handling it is we do not found. Perfect. Okay. Controllers. So this we should name to sessions. So how, like a very simple convention that we can follow is so the first part of the path name can be the controller's name, of which is resource. So what happens is it's just easy to basically Rails, how Rails structures it, right? Also there is no public t, and we have to do starts with, so we have to put two dots here. So anything that starts with sessions will go here, right? And we have to go to hook. So also we have to rename CAW CIO hook. CAW hook. Actually, you know what? should be to hook on. That sounds better because it's just easy to read, so makes sense. Okay, cool. So login is in place, register is in place. We just have to change some logic here. So there is no for auth hook, also it should say hook now. Okay, so for auth hook, what we have to do, we have to fix the cookie here. There is no header, but it's a cookie, so we have to handle that. So that would be get cookie. And right, and here request group with is dot plain text. Okay, it is plain text. Security is wisp dot sign. So this is actually a beautiful design, honestly speaking. We can use here, use cookie result dot try. That would be wisp dot get cookie request. Name is session, and this one is security is wisp dot sign, right? And here we have to do, I believe. Oh, did I do something wrong? Because if I use result here, now I can read. Okay, that mystery is still there. How do we handle? How do we handle? Oh, we actually don't need any of this because user, and here we have to do find by email, and email is already there. To delete it. Oh no, sorry. Why is it editing out? Okay, we don't need try anymore because this is going to be surround. Was it remove you? Keep forgetting the mini surround config. surround delete. Oh, it's ST. Okay. Surround delete. Perfect. Wait, did it delete? Yeah, it did. Okay. So user is there. Do it. Don't do that. Done. That's it. So we have everything set up, I believe. Cookie is also here. Hook is ready. Login is ready. Register is also ready. So we should be able to go now. Okay, moment of truth. See if it works. My dear friend, when you are going to load, okay. Eight 001. Ah, it's not running. Where is this? Sans.gleam. Okay. Cool. How do we make it a variable? We need a variable. How do we do that? I remember my colleagues showed me. Oh, okay. Variable 1 base URL. To be local host 8001. Cool. Why? Okay. How do you use it then? Oh, there is no. Okay, that's a bummer. Cool. How can I clone duplicate? So that would be sessions login, and my body will be form data, multipart form data. It's multipart only, right? Which format because that is included as either application exe or all, but okay. So what and all we need here? Email and okay. Email. So Sam. Oh wait, what is my email? Sam. Wait. Me. And what else I need? Password. Perfect. Beautiful. That works. But wait, now we need to see the queries. How do we do that? Because I believe we can do inspect or something. I remember seeing that. Find user. You know what? We'll do it later. Rename this is home. Save. This is login, and I want to how do I save? Do I do Control S? New collection Okane. Request name home. Save. Select a collection. Pro. What is this? Okay. Hey, this UX is trash. Okay. uh, duplicate, rename. Oh. Email name, password, name is Churo. Ah, okay. I wonder why is it 5404? Are we not able to find it or what? Sysn/register, right? So it's definitely not going here. Also we have to invalid. We will just do like a little better error messages, so it's just easy for us to know where exactly it's making. Actually not, we cannot do that because so why is it not working? I wonder where it really. Surround around till perfect. Oh, IO dot print. So, why I'm so dumb? This is not the problem. So the problem is basically here. It was very dumb of me. Should have done that proper. Okay. In it's fine. We probably should do a method not allowed, but we'll see. so we don't need this. I wonder why there is internal server error. Oh, I can see query. Okay, it's cool. Param, Soro, Sultan 480, some crap, more crap. Why did it fail? That was essence. Why is it not able to write? I think I can do a letter set okay also to see it temporarily. Let us okay user equal to user. What is happening? Function introducer no pattern matches the value. Actually, you know what? This is very difficult to read here. So what I'll do, is it new or is it control D? What is the shortcut? No pattern value error is played constantly. Okay, how do we log it? Okay, now at least we can see the error. Hey, what is this? This field doesn't exist. Why? Fuck. Did I do like? Oh no. I believe they should have taken care of that. Yeah. Function was found to return type. I wonder why this is happening. Oh wait, I am actually dumb. So what I can do is, so these two I can cut that. So what I can do, I can still keep them, right? Just see. I don't know what happened, but yeah. So this we can do user this, and right before this I can just write a case. Sorry, result dot map error, or what was that again? To read the error, result. All flatten is error is okay. Lazy map error. Updates the value, nil error, partition. See try. Okay. I want the error type. Unwrap error. Perfect. Wait, it needs a default value. How I can see the error? Is error is map error? Yeah. Actually, never mind. We can just do a pattern match. Case user is inspect io. Well, I just want to see it, man. Why? How can I see the error? Why is it so tricky? This part I still don't get. string dot inspect, and then it will be we are almost there. Okay. Unique constant failed user thread email. Hey? How? How is it failing? Oh, email is already unique. Okay. Okay. Name is not null. Created at is also not null. What is happening? How do we figure this out? Constant unique constant fail user email -1. But there is no user. Or is there? Actually, you know what? I'll do one thing. I'll delete the TP. So what that would do is yes. Wonder why it still fails. Oh wait, it's actually inserted correctly. And we didn't write a returning clause. I think that's what is fucking it up. Yes. So which basically means it's returning nil, and from there it goes to hell. How can we start a How can we run it on local? Actually, not this. Doesn't have to be this, right? Do I have one installed? Okay. Bun SQ right triple. How can I do a ripple? Bun ripple. Why is it downloading all of this? Oh, the transpiler. Okay. I think it doesn't implement S2E2 as core of it, probably. Okay, I'm feeling a little sleepy now. Okay. Bun is there. Bun.sqlite is it there? How do you use it? New database from bun column. Okay. Can I direct paste it and run? Oh, what just happened? That's fucking amazing. So I can just import stuff. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Select all from users. Okay. TP query. Sorry, I don't know SQL properly. I mean, I don't really know. Select all from oh, it is there. Then what is the problem? Something is happening. Controller systems. Okay, that will fix, but why this is not running? Should work. Except ID, everything is fine. Okay, and I have to sleep now. I think it was pretty productive, I believe. So you have to do git area. uh, uh, why I can't see my getignore file? Okay, I can see it. Cool. So yeah, I mean that's it. It was nice. We finished most of the stuff, I believe. So tomorrow I'll try to do a stream, but let's see what happens. But yeah, I'll try to figure out that 500 issue that is happening when you create, and also I'll fix this query. But I believe except that we did pretty good. Feature most added, most part of login / sign up sign up, fix errors later. Yeah, so that's it for today. Or yeah, I mean, yeah, it was nice. I'll see if I can stream later this month or next month. I mean, I don't really know. I mean, it's mostly busy at work, and like weekends are also mostly busy, so we'll see what happens. Right. Cool. Thank you so much whoever joined. See you later. Good night. Bye.